Let's talk about my Etsy marketing plan for the year 2023. In today's video, I am going to tell you all about my Etsy marketing strategy for next year. And I thought that I would make this video now before the new year starts so that I can prepare properly for that. And I will have a concrete plan and a step-by-step plan to implement this strategy or plan or whatever this is in time. Without any further ado, let's get into the plan. Stay tuned till the end because first I'm going to talk about what I am going to do for sure next year, and then I have a list with a few items that I might do. They still have a few question marks around them, but I will talk about those at the end of the video. So I have my handy dandy list here. And let's start. So the strategies that I'm going to do for sure in the year 2023. Let's start with the on-site promotion and the Etsy on-site integrations. First of all, I decided to stick with Etsy ads now that I have optimized it. I'm going to stick with Etsy ads and I am going to keep it between $5 and $7 a day. At the moment it's at $7, but I'm going to do a quick experiment in the month of January or February with $5 a day. If it will produce the same percentage of results, then I will think about keeping Etsy ads for the long run. Now, another on-site promotion method that I will be using are sales and coupon codes. I will do a sale campaign every 3 months. That's my plan for now at least. And I am planning to give a discount between 25 and 30% for 1 week in each quarter. And we will see the results of that. I will of course share it with you in my monthly income report videos. Now the next piece in my 2023 Etsy marketing strategy is a hybrid thing because some part of it lives on Etsy and another part of it is not on the Etsy platform, and that would be email marketing. I started using ConvertKit for email marketing this year and I really like it so far. If you haven't seen my previous video about the Black Friday double dip method that kind of didn't work for me, I talk about more about email marketing in there. But I think it is a really great way to collect email addresses of people who are already interested in your products. And I really enjoy using ConvertKit. You can find my link in the description down below. It can be a very lucrative strategy, but the part that lives on the Etsy platform is that you know those little notes that your clients get when they purchase one of your products. I added in there a link from where they can download my lead magnet. Lead magnet is a fancy word for a freebie. And I also put an image with my freebie into my popular listings, well, the ones that are selling really well. I removed one of the existing images and I made some space and rearranged the images. And I added this freebie image and I wrote it on the bottom of it that you can find the download link in the description. And I added the link to that landing page into the description. And if someone decides to get those 10 free templates from me, then they have to give me their email address and I will collect those into a neat email list inside ConvertKit and I can send them emails when I'm having sales, new product line releases and so on. Now, the next piece in my marketing strategy would be Pinterest. Pinterest has worked wonders for me in the past. Well, that is not the case these days, and I would really like to boost my organic Pinterest traffic to my Etsy shops. I know how to do it. Well, the system changed a little bit since I done it manually because I have been relying on Tailwind for that. Tailwind is a very handy-dandy little software that will automate your Pinterest pins for you onto as many boards as you would like. So that's how I would like to beef up my Pinterest traffic inside my Etsy shop. Last year in 2021 it worked really well when I did it every month at the beginning of the month. I scheduled all of my pins to all of the boards that I wanted to pin to, and Tailwind just pinned it for me automatically. And I just got the traffic into the Etsy shop. Now, since I've been neglecting this, the visits and the clicks from Pinterest are subpar, to say the least. And now I would like to get that back to a really good level, to at least 1,000 visits each month from Pinterest. This is organic. And the other piece in my marketing strategy that I cannot control are Etsy offsite ads. Etsy will charge me for these whenever someone buys something and if that person comes from an ad that they placed on Google, Yahoo, Bing, any of those other platforms, then they will charge me a certain percentage of that sale. Now, onto the things that I might do, and I still have big question marks around these because I haven't decided due to several reasons. But the first one is that I'm not sure that I will keep doing Pinterest ads. For sure, I am spending only $2 a day on that, but I find that it doesn't bring enough clicks in that they would be worth that $2 a day. And the other thing that I'm really thinking about doing is to do social media for the Etsy shops. Now, when you have two Etsy shops and you want to open a third one, and when you have to create new digital products, you have to do SEO updates, you are doing YouTube, and I don't know when I can do my own Instagram. How the hell can I find the time to create Instagram content for all three of those shops? That is a big question mark. If my business will allow me, I would like to reinvest some money from the profits to hire an assistant or social media manager who can do it all for me. But at the moment, as you saw my expenses video a few weeks back, I am kind of on thin ice because I had to go back on payroll. Now, I would like to get out of payroll, but there is only one way to do it. And I don't know if I want to do it. The way is that I go on maternity leave again. If I will have the profit margin, I think that I will invest into a good social media manager. And I would like someone to be close to me, and I am not sure if I would like to do it with someone remote. I would like this person to work here close to me, at least in the same city, so that we can meet in person. Or if you know someone who is looking for a job in that field in Romania, then send them my way and I would like to talk to them. So yes, that would be my marketing plan for 2023. Please let me know down in the comments what are your plans for 2023. Are you planning to do some more ads or less ads, more social media? Tell me what is working for you. I would really like to know, because I would like to incorporate them into my marketing strategy. Because as you saw my recent income reports, I really need it. Thank you very much for watching today's video. If you found it interesting or entertaining, hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to the channel because I have many 2023 goal setting and planning videos coming up, and hit the notification bell so you will never miss another video in which I talk about digital products, making money online, selling digital products on Etsy, and so on. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!